Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Civic door handle. First, ensure you have all the right tools, including screwdrivers, a trim removal tool, and your new handle. Safety is key, so disconnect your car's battery before you begin. Then, gently remove the interior door panel. This step reveals the handle's internal connections and mounting hardware, preparing you for the next stages of the replacement process. Now, let's remove the old handle. You'll need to detach any electrical connectors and linkage rods connected to the handle mechanism. These usually unclip or slide off with a bit of gentle persuasion. Next, locate and unscrew the mounting bolts or clips that hold the handle firmly in place. Once these are loose, you can carefully pull the entire old handle assembly out from the door's exterior. Take your time to avoid damaging surrounding paint or trim. With the old handle out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new door handle into the exterior opening, making sure its mounting points align perfectly. Once aligned, secure it firmly using the screws or clips you removed earlier. Double-check that it's snug and doesn't wiggle. Finally, reconnect all electrical connectors and linkage rods to the new handle assembly. Test the handle's operation before proceeding to the final steps. To finish up, carefully reattach the interior door panel. Make sure all clips snap into place and any screws are tightened securely. Once the panel is back on, thoroughly test the new door handle's functionality from both the inside and outside of your vehicle. Ensure it opens and closes smoothly and latches correctly. For more great tips and deals, including a link to fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.